Okay, we've seen how to tie more or two tables together. How would we tie more than two tables together? Well, let's look at this as an example. Let's say that I want to pull the name of the city and district, and let's go ahead and do the life expectancy. There we go. Couldn't find it for a minute. It was right under my mouse. My life expectancy for and the official language for every city that is in Polynesia. So I'm going to need the name and the district from here. I'm going to need the life expectancy from here, and I'm going to need the official language from here. So this is going to require a lot of different things, and there's no direct connection between some of these, right? So this table, the city table, is related to the country table. We can connect through country code and code. And then from country language, we can go from country code to code as well. But theoretically, we could directly connect from city to language, but that doesn't give us everything we need here. So we're going to connect through this. So let me show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to use aliases for this. So I'm going to select, and I'm going to have to specify because some of these are going to have similar names. So I'm going to say my city table, I'm going to alias as CI. So I want CI dot name. So that's going to be my city as city. I'm going to want my district. The district only exists inside the city table, so I don't need to fully qualify the field name. I don't need to identify it by table. Life expectancy only shows up in the country table. So district, life expectancy. I don't have to give it a reference to the table. It's going to be able to figure it out. And language, I'll go ahead and do that capitalized so it shows up. Let's do it as official language. Now, I'm going to do this in more than one pass just to make our life easier. So I want this from city as CI, country as CO, and country language as CL. So those are going to be my three tables. Now let's work on our joining. So we're going to join this in the where clause, and I want CI dot country. There we go. Code equals. We're going to join that to the country table, co.code, and co.code equals cl.country code. Okay, let's see if this does it. So we've connected through our where clause, and let's exit, and we've got the city, the district, the life expectancy, and the official language. Now, I actually haven't specified official language, right? So it's just showing me, it showed me as official language because that's what I named it. But I didn't say only show me my official languages. So I'm going to add another where, and is official equals true, and execute. Okay, there we go. Now I haven't specified where my region is yet. So I want to specify my region. So I'm going to add another and to my where clause. Region equals Polynesia. And let's go ahead and add region to this as well before the life expectancy, just so we can verify that it actually is pulling the data that we want. Always a good thing to do. So I'm going to execute, and here we have our city, our district, the region, the life expectancy, and the official language. Okay, now that I know that it's pulling this correctly, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my region. Oops. And re-execute my query. So it gives me city, district, life expectancy, and official language. And then you'll see here we have some duplicates. So Tufana and then Fagatogu. Boy, I should have picked a different one. So you see both of these are duplicated. That's because we have both English and Samoan as the official language. So let's try to organize this a little bit. So we'll do order by, and we're going to order by city. And execute. Okay, there we go. Sorted by city, and duplicate ones show up because they have multiple official languages. And here we go. We have tied data from 3 different tables together into one query. And all we did was add another and here in our where clause to tie our 2 queries together, or our 3 tables together.